In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a sports poster in the shortest time in Photoshop. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With the text tool, type any number you want. Press Ctrl T and resize. Go to Select and click on the subject. Select the layers. Right-click and click Convert to Smart Object. Mask the layer. Remove the excess with the brush tool. Click on the black and white option. Create a new layer. Create a shadow with the brush tool. Again with the text tool, type your desired text. Click on the brightness and contrast option. For more shine, click on exposure.